Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Janitor AI. So you just have to follow the step-by-step guide to get started with creating your Janitor AI chatbot. So first, you just have to visit the Janitor AI website and click on sign up button. And then from there, just have to enter your email address, username, and password. Now, once you're logged into the Janitor AI, you just have to set up your profile with a username, profile picture, and preferences, which can help customize your AI characters. Now, after that, you just have to create your AI character by navigating to the character creation section. So here, you just have to enter the character's name, appearance, and personality traits, and then upload an image of the character. And that's it. You just made a Janitor AI bot, and you can now select the character you created and click on the chat button to start a conversation. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.